Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Pritam. My student ID is 62882, and today we are discussing here about strategic social media response to Disney Plus. The strategies that other social media platforms has used to compete with Disney Plus. So starting with my introduction, the rise of OTT streaming platform has intensified competition within the digital entertainment industry, especially with the entry of new players like Disney Plus into markets previously dominated by the Netflix, Amazon Prime. In this, the article analysis of the social media strategies of audiovisuals OTTs in Spain. Martin has investigated the competitive strategies of major OTT platforms in Spain during the launch of Disney Plus, focusing on Netflix, HBO, and Amazon Prime. The authors evaluate how these platforms use Facebook and Instagram to maintain visibility and user engagement. The study is grounded in quantitative content analysis and provides insights into digital branding strategies, content formats, audience interactions. These critical review examines the paper strengths, limitation, and implication while uh, strengths, limitations, and implications while align it with broader academic literature on digital marketing and OTT media platforms. So for the summary of the paper, I'll be covering through social media strategies. The author seeks to explore how the OTT platform reacted to the entrance of Disney Plus into Spanish market. The research utilized data obtained from fan page Karma, where a complete set of social media posts from Netflix, HBO, Amazon Prime during the period of interest, that is 1 month from 15th Feb to 15th March of 2020, was analyzed, comprising a total of 315 posts. The analysis pays particular attention to the key performance indicators (KPIs), such as volume of posts, user interactions, categories as likes, comments, shares, and type of content posted, such as video, memes, trailers, among others. Key finding includes Netflix dominated social media activity in both volume and engagement, using humor, memes, and user-generated content to brand identity. The author concludes the Netflix digital native communication style allowed it to engage more deeply with Spanish audience, therefore reinforcing its market dominance amid the threat posed by Disney. So this is all from my side. Now I'll be handing over the presentation to my other peers. So this is all from my side. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Amal Stephen, student ID 55934, and I'm here to talk about the theoretical framework as well as the strength of the study. So let me explain how streaming services use social media based on our research theory. Firstly, the study uses two main theories, media convergence and digital branding. These helps us understand how platforms like Netflix combines different types of media to reach viewers. A key theory is that Scory called participationary culture in 2015. Netflix does this really well. They let viewers create memes and share contents about their stories. For example, when Stranger Things launched, fans created their own content, which Netflix then shared. Uh, and then the Pentian's research in 2013 showed that when brands let consumers engage and create content, it works better than just posting ads. Netflix follows the idea perfectly on their social media. However, the study could have done better. They didn't fully explain how branding works differently on each platform, like Netflix, Instagram versus Facebook. They also could have compared more platforms. Now, I would like to go to the next slide, that is the strengths of the study. Now let's see what makes the study strong. The researchers picked the perfect time, 1 month when everything was happening. This gave them clear data about how platforms compete. They use tools like Fanpage, Karma, which Ashley and Tune provided works well into 2015. This tool counted every like, shares, comments accurately. The study uses number of data to provide their point, making it very reliable. They didn't just guess; they had really evidence. Um, as Lobeto noted in 2019, each country's streaming market is different. That's why studying Spain specifically was so important. It shows how these platform works outside America. This research filled a gap because most studies only looked at American streaming services. By looking at Spain, we learned new things about how these platforms work in different countries. Thank you for listening. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am Prabdeep Singh, bearing student ID number 59304, is going to tell you something, is going to tell you limitations and weakness. As our topic is strategic social media response to Disney. So let us get to the sixth slide. Our sixth slide is limitations and weakness. Despite its strength, the paper has several limitations. First, and the one of first 1 month analysis period is too short to capture long-term strategy shifts or adaptations. As Napoli 2020 argues, long-term studies offer more reliable insights into strategic evolutions. Second, the absence of Disney, the main disruptor, is a missed opportunity, including its social media strategy, would have offered richer comparisons and improved study comprehensiveness. The third, the study uses only quantitative KPIs such as likes and shares. It misses out on a qualitative layer that could explain why certain content performed well. For example, Agarwal note how meme culture resonates more deeply with Gen Z and millennials, an insight that could have been explored further. Lastly, the statistical analysis remains basic. Now, the significance tests are applied, which raises questions about whether the differences observed are truly meaningful. So let us get to our next slide. Our next slide is about literature and contrast. The finding align with previous studies that explored brand engagement on social media. For instance, Hudson show how interaction on social media foster brand loyalty, which Netflix seems to be leveraged well. DeWitt found that engaging content type like videos and memes consistently outperformed plain promotional material, a pattern confirmed in this paper. Interestingly, this study moves away from traditional competitive market metrics like pricing or content licensing by discussion done by Johnson 2013 literature paper and instead focuses on communication style as a differentiator. The shift contributes to emerging debates around how OTT to build digital first relationship with users. It also empirical weights to the growing idea that engagement is just as an important as content. So that's all from my side. So my next slides will be explained by my next friend. So let us carry forward.
Greetings of the day, Professor. I am Ramneek Singh, and I am here to present my slides on implication and recommendation. Brands must prioritize platform native content styles for audience engagement, strategic relevance for OTT marketers, managing competition via digital branding, future research, ad qualitative sentiments analysis include new players like Disney Plus, broaden research to cross-platform tone adjustments, example TikTok versus Instagram, extend to other regions to understand localized branding. Conclusion. The paper effectively highlights immediate OTT social media responses, strong on metrics, branding insights, and platform strategies. Weaknesses lie in limited time frame, lack of comparative depth, and qualitative void. Still offers valuable insights into the digital strategies of major OTT players. Overall, a valuable resource with room for expansion in future research. These